Does this look familiar? You're ready to clean up a mess, you pull the trigger and nothing happens. Or maybe you have to squeeze the handle with the grip strength of a professional bodybuilder just to get the motor to spin. Here is what's happening. Deep inside the handle, a thin plastic stress arm pushes the actual electronic switch. After months of use, this plastic weakens and snaps. So, even though the external power button moves, it's not making contact on the inside. If you keep trying to force it by squeezing harder, you risk damaging the battery housing or the motor itself. Eventually, the unit will stop working entirely, leaving you with a dusty house and a very expensive paperweight. So, you're stuck with a lifeless Dyson V10 due to that notorious broken trigger. You might be thinking about attempting a risky DIY fix or buying a whole new unit, but there is a much smarter option. At Robocare, we pride ourselves on being repair service specialists who understand the intricate engineering of Dyson products. We've seen this specific failure countless times, and our trained technicians know exactly how to navigate the complex internal wiring of the V10 without causing collateral damage. We utilize specialized precision torque drivers to safely disassemble the motor housing. But we don't just swap parts, we upgrade them. We replace the failed plastic piece with a genuine component. We ensure your vacuum isn't just fixed, but better than before. But don't just take our word for it. Let's jump to the unit testing and show you the results. Just look at that difference. No more hand cramps, no more sputtering. Instant power and responsive suction. We've restored this V10 to its factory-fresh glory, ready to tackle any mess you throw at it. Ready to revive your vacuum? Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.